Is Pi Network a scam or the next big thing in decentralized finance? The debate is fierce, echoing the early days of Bitcoin. Back then, Bitcoin was dismissed as a fad, but it sparked a revolution in how we think about money and trust. Now, Pi Network is under similar scrutiny, but with a twist. It doesn't ask for your money, just your daily attention. This approach has drawn tens of millions, but also skepticism. How can something valuable be given away so freely? Pi's founders, Stanford PhDs Dr. Nicholas Kakalis and Dr. Chengdiao Fan, wanted to make crypto accessible to everyone, not just those with expensive hardware. Their mobile-first mining lets anyone participate, aiming to build the world's most widely distributed digital currency. The strategy: grow the network first, assign value later, just like social media platforms did before monetizing. By rewarding daily engagement, Pi has built a massive global community. The big question: can this community-driven vision turn into real, sustainable value, or is it just another digital illusion? As we watch and wait, Pi stands at the crossroads of skepticism and innovation. The answer may shape the future of digital money. To judge Pi Network, you need to understand how it works beneath the surface. Unlike Bitcoin's energy-hungry mining, Pi uses the Stellar Consensus Protocol, efficient and accessible. Users, called pioneers, check in daily with a tap, proving they're real and helping secure the network. Contributors build trust circles, creating a web of social validation that keeps the network honest. Node operators run software on regular computers, validating transactions and pushing Pi toward true decentralization. Ambassadors invite new users, fueling growth through direct referrals, not a pyramid, but a viral expansion. This layered system, pioneers, contributors, nodes, ambassadors, lets anyone join at their own pace. Together, they're building a decentralized digital currency from the ground up. The real test: can this model deliver lasting value and security? Critics call Pi a scam, citing its slow rollout and lack of exchange listings. But Pi's phased approach, distribution, testnet, then mainnet, shows a deliberate, transparent strategy. KYC verification and mainnet migration are key steps, letting users actually use Pi for peer-to-peer trades within the ecosystem. The project's value isn't in ads or data, but in building a massive, verified user base for a new digital economy. Pi's slow pace is about stability, not deception, and its focus on real-world utility sets it apart from quick-profit crypto schemes. The big question remains: can Pi's careful, community-driven approach create lasting value? Only time and real adoption will tell. While skeptics focus on the lack of exchange listings, Pi's real story is its growing ecosystem. The Pi browser is the gateway to decentralized apps, dApps, where users can spend Pi in real marketplaces. From bartering goods to local Pi bazaars in Asia and Africa, people are already using Pi for real transactions. This utility-first approach aims to build a circular economy before chasing speculative hype. Developers are drawn by the huge verified user base. Users are motivated to spend their mined Pi. The result: a feedback loop of growth and innovation, even as the ecosystem faces early-stage challenges. Pi's experiment is a living lab for a new kind of digital economy. Its success depends on whether this community can turn vision into everyday value. Pi Network faces huge challenges: mass KYC, scaling its ecosystem, and keeping user trust. The wait for open mainnet tests everyone's patience, but transparency and communication are key. Like the internet and Bitcoin before it, Pi is meeting skepticism head-on. Its mainnet, KYC process, and active community show it's more than just hype. Pi has introduced millions to crypto, building engagement most projects only dream of. Its value isn't set by markets yet, but by daily use and community belief. The verdict isn't in. Pi is still an experiment, balancing between revolution and unproven promise. The real question: what can Pi teach us about building inclusive, accessible financial systems? Explore the Pi browser, join the community, and decide for yourself. You might just be witnessing the start of a new chapter in crypto.